is past question number 23. Use the diagram below to answer question 23. The diagram has price, and our price we have 18, 15, and 10. In our diagram we have MC, which is marginal cost, ATC, which is average total cost, AVC, which is average variable cost. On the quantity side, we have, which is in units, we have 10, 20, and 40 units. So the question says the average total cost, okay, when 20 units are produced is what? Option A says 20, option B says 23, option C says 13 naira, and option D says 15, all in naira. So it is the point between MC, the average total cost, the point between MC, which is marginal cost, and average variable cost. The ATC, that is average total cost or average cost, is expressed or represented by the formula AC, which is equals to total cost over total quantity, where TC is equals to total cost, TQ is equals to total quantity, is equals to total quantity. So therefore, our AC in this case, or ATC in this case, is equals to average fixed cost plus average variable costs. Thus, when we have 20 units, when 20 units are produced, when average total cost was 20 units, and 20 units are produced, every cost when 20 units are produced is 15. From here, from the diagram, we just trace it to this point. So our option D, is the most stable option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.